Hello students, in this video I'll explain you about tree and its terminology. In previous video we discussed about tree data structure. Okay, what is a tree data structure? And it is a non-linear data structure where data is organized in a hierarchical format. So in tree data structure every data is represented as a node. Okay, now we will see some important terms which we will use in the tree data structure. So the first term is root. The first node of a tree is called root. Okay, and in this example tree data structure, A is called root. Okay, so what is a root? For every tree, the first node of the tree is called a root, and a tree must have only one root node. Okay, next, edge. Edge means a connecting link between any two nodes in a tree is called edge. A connection link between any two nodes is called an edge. Okay, so here if we this is a connecting link between A and B, so we call it as a edge. This is an edge between A and C. Okay, suppose if a tree has n nodes, there may be maximum of n minus 1 edges. Okay, next, this is called edge. Next is parent. A node which has one or more children is called a parent. If we take B, B is called a parent which has one or more children. Okay, C is called a parent which has one child, and E is also called a parent which has one child H. G is also called a parent which has I and J. Okay, we can call root is also parent which have all the children. So except the root, remaining all the nodes in a tree is called child nodes of A, root A. Okay, next, what is child? Child means the node which is descendant of some node. If we take D, D is a child node which is a descendant of B. Now B is descendant of A. So we call B is child of A, D is child of B. B and C are descendants of A. We say B and C are child nodes. Okay. Now D, E, F are descendants of B. D, E, F are children of B. B is called parent of D, E, F. Okay. Next, sibling. Sibling means the nodes, that means the children which belong, the child nodes or children belongs to same parent. If we take I and J, the parent of I and J is G. So G, the I and J are called siblings where both belong to the same parent. Okay, if we take D, E, F are siblings belong to the same parent B. So we call D, E, F are child nodes and which are called siblings. We will say H, I, J are child nodes, but H is not a sibling of I and J, but I and J are siblings. Okay, B and C are siblings which belong to same parent. Okay, next, degree. Degree of a node means total number of children of that node. That is called degree of a node. Okay, see here, suppose if you take A, what is the degree of A? 2. How many children? 2. Total number of children of that node. What is the degree of B? 3. 1, 2, 3. What is the degree of C? G. 1. What is the degree of G? 2. 1, 2. What is the degree of E? 1. Degree means total number of children of that node. Okay. Next, internal. What are internal nodes? Internal node means A is called a root. Okay, B and C are called internal nodes or non-terminal nodes. Why? Because it has descendants. Okay, and D, E, F is all, D is child node, F is child node, but here E is internal node. Why? Because it has a child. But E and F, D and F are leaf nodes. It has no child. But E is an internal node. B is an internal. C is also internal node. Why? Because it has child D. G. G is also internal node which has child I and J. This is called internal node or non-terminal nodes or non-leaf nodes. And leaf node, a node which does not have no children, is called leaf nodes. In this example, D does not have any children, so we say D is a leaf. F is a leaf, does not have any children. H is a leaf, I is a leaf, J is a leaf. Okay, next, these are called leaf nodes. Okay, next, level. Level means each step from top to bottom, that means from root to leaf nodes. Okay, each step means this is the first step, so always the level of root starts, level of root is 0. Okay, next step 1, level 1. Next we will call increments by 1 plus 1. Okay, level 1. Next level 2 plus 1. Level 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, B and C are at same level, that is level 1. D, E, F, G are at same level 2. H, I, J are at same level 3. This is called level. Then what is height? Number of edges that lies from any leaf node to particular node. If you want, leaf node means H. Leaf node to particular node, that is called height. Whereas depth, number of edges from root to particular node or leaf. Okay. So what is height? The longest path or number of edges from leaf to a particular node. Suppose if we take height of B from leaf 1, 2, this is the height of B. What is the height of A? This is the third level. So from here 1, 2, 3. What is the height of leaf nodes here? D, leaf 0, leaf 0, 0, 0. So always the height of leaves are 0. Then what is the total number of edges from root to leaf node or particular node? So depth. What is depth from leaf to from root to particular node? Okay, so from root means this is the root. What is the depth of A? No root, so this depth is 0. Then what is the depth of B? 1. Edges from root to particular node. What is the height of depth of H? 1, 2, 3. What is the depth of F? 1, 2. Okay, this is called depth of a node. Next, subtree. Every child node forms a subtree on its parent node. Okay, if we take B and C are children of same parent A. So B and C are child nodes. So B and C form left to A and right to A. So B and C forms subtrees. Left subtree, right subtree. Okay, trees. It form trees. If we take G, 2 subtrees. If we take C, 1 subtree. If we take B, 3 subtrees. You can have more subtrees also. Okay, that is called subtree. What is path? Path is a sequence of consecutive edges. Consecutive edges means if we take A, B, D, these are consecutive edges. This is called a path. If you take A, B, E, H, A, B, E, H, this is called consecutive edges. Okay, A, C, G, I, A, C, G, J. This is called a path. Then what is forest? A set of disjoint trees. This is one tree, this is another tree. Disjoint trees is called a forest. Okay, these are the important terms we will use in the tree data structures. What are the terms we discussed? We discussed what is root, edge, parent, child, okay, siblings, next degree, uh, internal nodes, leaf nodes, level, okay, height means from leaf node to number of edges, and the longest pass from the leaf to root, that is height. Depth, total number of edges from root to particular node, okay, that is depth. And we learn forest, path, and subtree. Okay, these are the terms we learn in tree data structure. Okay, in next video I'll explain you about binary tree.